How I doubled a realtor's leads with just one video strategy. Would you believe a single video could double a real estate agent's leads in under 30 days? Sounds like clickbait, right? But I did it, and today I'll show you exactly how. Section 1. The problem. One of my realtor clients was spending money on Facebook ads and local flyers, but still getting very few qualified leads. Why? 1. No personal brand. 2. No clear video strategy. 3. No real value offered in content. Section 2. The video strategy. Here's what we did differently. 1. Created a short neighborhood expert video series. Each episode was under 90 seconds and covered local hotspots, market trends, one thing buyers overlook in this area. 2. Added CTAs like DM home to get my free buyers checklist. 3. Posted consistently on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. Use subtitles and catchy hooks like, "This one mistake is costing buyers thousands in," and given the name of that city. Section 3. The result. In less than 4 weeks, lead form submissions doubled. 2. Engagement up 3x. So, one video brought 14 buyer inquiries, all organically. If you're a realtor or work with one, don't sleep on video content. Want this plug-and-play strategy template? Comment "video leads" and we can work it together. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more real estate growth hacks.